Remember when automation was the big bad wolf, supposedly coming to take everyone's jobs? Let's flip that old story. Today, it's not about job loss, it's about unleashing your team's real potential. Think about the hours wasted on repetitive, error-prone work like data entry, invoice matching, or endless ticket routing. That grind is exactly what ARDEM's smart automation takes off your plate. Bots handle the heavy lifting so your people can focus on the stuff only humans do best: judgment, relationships, and turning insight into action. Now this isn't your parents' automation, no clunky old RPA here. We're talking machine learning, natural language processing, and live analytics, all working together to support split-second decisions and lightning-fast cycle times. But here's the secret sauce. I always keep people in control. At ARDEM, bots work for speed and people bring the nuance. Automation captures and classifies documents, but it's our analysts who validate the edge cases, manage exceptions, and build trust with your vendors and customers. And the results? They're real. In one Fortune 500 logistics team, ARDEM's blend of automation and expert analysts cut processing times in half, improved AR tracking by 40%, and shrank manual backlogs by over 60%. That's not about cutting jobs, it's about lifting up your staff, helping them move into higher value roles, and upskilling them for what's next. With ARDEM's automation-first BPO model, I align people, platforms, and processes, all measured by real KPIs. I integrate with your systems, scale with your business, and keep you performing, even during those wild peak seasons, without piling on extra overhead. Bottom line, when people and automation collaborate, your business gets faster, cleaner, and more resilient. The future of BPO isn't replacing humans, it's enabling them to thrive. Want to reduce errors, speed up cycles, and truly elevate your team? ARDEM can help you grow your business and your people.